Hello YouTube. So there's not many videos on this particular car. This is a 2020 Hyundai Veloster Premium Edition. It's in all white. What I'm doing right now is I'm upgrading the headlights. As you can see, everything is pretty much torn off. So the way these cars are is in the back is where the main low beam is. It's very difficult to get your hand in and try to, take it out. So after about 30 minutes of trying this side at least, I decided, can't lose that, to just take the whole bumper off because I feel like that's the only way to do it. You can also, try to take this fuse box off, but it's not really working well. So in order to take the bumper off, there's quite a few things you have to do. There's going to be 4 bolts, I guess you could say, for this upper cover right here. You can take 3 on the lights, except this one for some reason stayed. And you're gonna have 8 of these push pins on the bottom that you're gonna have to take out just with a flathead screwdriver. I did all of this with a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver, so not very complicated. There is a Phillips screw that goes here, 3 more push pins, and that's about it. With a little bit of force, you take it off, and here we are. So I would try to document the rest of the process in order to better help other Veloster owners. Again, this is a 2020 Hyundai Veloster 2.0 Premium, so just one above the base. Nothing fancy, but they come with halogens, so I'm trading them in for LEDs. I'll show you what it looks like after. Okay, with some force, I kind of took this headlight out. So in the back is where the halogens live. You just twist them and take them out. I'm replacing them with these. This is not sponsored, but LaceFit Pro H6 bulbs, H7 bulbs. I'm sorry, I don't really know, but if you go on their website, they have the exact one you need. This is what they're replacing. Those are the halogens, and these are the upgraded ones. So definitely a lot nicer. Definitely what this Veloster should have come with from the factory, but all right, that's what we're doing it now. So just so you guys know, one mistake I actually made that you can learn from is to pay attention to this. Let's see if it could focus. Positive and negative. Positive on this side, negative on this side. And here you got to make sure that the positive is going with the green one, negative is going with the black one, of course. I didn't realize that because I was trying to do it without the bumper off and I didn't see all that. So just FYI. These are very nice. I kind of test fitted them already. I had switched it before, so it wasn't turning on, so I thought they were broken, but after flipping it around, it worked. So obviously right connection will give the right result. So I will continue to put this inside. You just got to connect this to there properly and kind of tuck all the wires in and then twist it to secure. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so it just turned off, but make sure you turn on the car, plug the wire in. I'm gonna put everything back together, but plug the wire in to make sure it works, and make sure that you put the bulb in the right position. So this is what it looks connected, and I haven't seen any error messages yet, but if so, I will let you guys know. All right, now let's put it back together. Okay, so little problem I had is that this housing is not super secured to the adapter that is custom made for it. So when you twist it, it only twists this and the light itself, not the adapter. So I kind of had to get a flathead screwdriver to kind of push it in to make sure it's pretty secure. Now I'm going to put the dust cover over, and I'll do that off camera. After that, it's kind of just putting everything back together. I'm gonna snug this back on here. That light is already fixated to the bumper for some reason, so I'm gonna try to just move it so that everything is back, and then I'll show you which bolts you need to put. Alright, so kind of just moved it onto the actual vehicle, the front bumper. Now you're gonna have to just push these in. Of course, you have your screw here, or bolt, whatever you call it, here, 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 and here. After that, after pushing these in, you're gonna have to put the push pins back. Sorry, it's hard to see. There's one here, 3, and then there's, oh man, sorry. There we go. Phillips that you have to put here. And then on the bottom. That's pretty much it. Don't forget to plug everything back in once you're done. I'm gonna do that once everything is completely done, and I'll show you the final result. Keep realizing and kind of being redundant, saying I'm gonna show you the final product, so I'm just gonna do what I need to do and kind of walk you through it. So here's all the push pins. You got one here, here, here. Then you have one of these 10 millimeter bolts. Everything is pretty much 10 millimeters. They go here, and all of these crevices on the bottom. Okay, so I just need to tighten everything up, but this is pretty much the finished product. Obviously it's the front. I'm going to turn on the lights soon, but I just want to reiterate which ones you need to take off. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh man, actually I forgot to put these. I need to do that right now actually. Phillips here. 1, 2, 3 pins on each side. 8 push pins on the very bottom. 3, 4, and then 4 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4 of these bolts. 10 mils. Like I said, everything is 10 millimeters, so you should have no issues. And that's it. So let me tighten everything up and then do the sides. Okay, everything's all buttoned up. Just make sure when you're tightening everything, you're double checking your gaps. So everything looks good. This is flush. All that all along. So let's start the car. Sorry for the poor quality. Recording on my phone. It's a iPhone 6. I know it's ancient, but it still works. So. So there's no lights on the dash. Just a brake light, obviously. Put both lights on. I don't have a before video. I should have done that, but I kind of thought about doing this video afterwards. So, oh, they look beautiful. Yeah, they look great. They match the bottom really well, and it really looks a lot more modern than those halogens. So I hope you like this video, and then take care. Bye.